Trading with LiteForex has become even more profitable and interesting. LiteForex is distributing promo codes for you to get a 100% bonus. Hurry up! Promo codes can be used during a limited period of time. Now, let me show how to use the promo code. Log into your account and go to Finance tab. Choose a payment system and enter the keyword. For this video we'll try to use Skrill and we'll deposit $100. Enter the amount and tick the Use Promo Code box. Enter the promo code and it will automatically appear in the You Will Receive box. Click Continue to complete the deposit. Review your deposit and click Confirm. Congratulations! You successfully deposited using LiteForex promo code. Here are the things to remember. Minimum deposit to get the bonus is $100. A client may use this promo code only 10 times, or the maximum sum of $10,000. You can't transfer bonus from one trading account to another trading account. Any profit made when investing bonus funds may be immediately withdrawn from the account. Bonus funds may also be transferred to balance and withdrawn from the account if requirements are met. You can check the example calculation. The bonus is valid for 6 months from the date of bonus payment. The bonus may not be used in the accounts that copy trades. Please review bonus condition carefully. You can now start trading.